villagers have been arrested in Kaure. They were arrested for stopping the transportation of ore. The Congress party condemns these arrests. The transport contractors which are transporting the ore have been denying business to locals and at the same time putting their life in danger during the Shigmo week without announcing that this transportation would start. The government is silently allowing the company which is allegedly involved in this illegal mining to purchase the ore through e-auction and transport it out of Goa, thus erasing any evidence of the illegalities. Just like last year, this year the government has no official on site to monitor whether all the trucks that are carrying the ore are registered trucks and they have GPS system. It is always possible that trucks without GPS system could be transporting excessive ore beyond what was auctioned. Now, but the reason why this government is acting in such a fascist manner is not just because of this transportation. These people want to start a mining cooperative society and run the business like any other mining company or transport contractor, so that the whole village can benefit. The government is denying them this. They have not issued any certificate. Why is the government denying them the constitutional right? Let them start it. Let's see if they get the lease or if they get any contract. Why is the government jumping horse and stopping or not allowing them to set up this cooperative society, even though they have applied for it? Across all of Goa, the BJP is bullying and silencing the voice of Goans, especially those who belong to the tribal community. The truth is, it is not about just stopping the mining trucks. It is a threat that these cooperatives, if they start, that they might have on mining companies and transport contractors like Nilesh Kabra and Subhash Faldesai. The deputy collector and the police of KPM, whether in the case of Defence Expo agitation or in the Kaure villagers, are behaving like generals of the fascist government.